So this one is placed, and then the top of the table is made out of marble. Okay. This one is stainless steel, and also the coffee table. So you have to render that in stainless steel. Okay. The coffee table and this one. And then the chrome parts will be this one, the side table, the low side table, and then this the base of this side table here. So this is chrome also. Okay, chrome, and the track light are chrome. Okay. Next, of course, this is like a penthouse unit. So what you will see beyond the window are just clouds. Okay, kunyari, Petronas siya, kunyari. So just clouds at the window, and this back wall is a mirror. Okay, this one is a mirror. Okay, so there should be reflections on the mirror. There is a painting again. This is a painting. Okay, do not make it a mirror, or at least last time may naggawa na naman yan. May nag-render ng second plate na mirror. Okay, so this is a painting, and this one is a painting. Okay, any question there? Now the rest is up to you on whatever color, material. Okay. So I just want to see all those that were required. Okay. So to some, I'll just show you